Please tell us something about the medical market in India.
Sure. See, the medical market in India predominantly consists of ECG, EEG, patient monitoring, and older applications. In India, most of the designs are implemented by using discrete components, but in order to differentiate, different players across the industry have devices which occupy smaller space, have lesser power, and a lower cost, which can be very beneficial for such systems. I'll explain how to implement such medical applications by taking an example of a step-by-step design procedure for a 12-lead ECG system.
What are the basic terms that we encounter in any ECG system?
Okay, so in case of an ECG system, first of all, we shall know about what electrodes are. Electrodes are directly connected to the human body, and they are nothing but conducting gel embedded onto pads to which cables clip. The voltage difference between the electrodes is known as leads. In case of a 12-lead ECG, 10 electrodes are used. Each electrode will have a specific name. The electrodes which are connected to the limbs are known by RA right arm, LA left arm, RL right leg, and LL left leg. The electrodes which are connected to the chest are known by V1 to V6.
What are the different ECG standards?
Okay, so as we learned, leads are the voltage differences between the electrodes. Depending upon how many leads are computed, we can have different ECG standards. ECG standard could be 1 lead, 3 leads, 6 leads, or 12 leads. Each lead configuration will require a certain number of electrodes.
So how do we go from electrodes to leads?
Sure. So leads are derived from the electrodes, and the standard limb leads are referred to by lead 1, lead 2 and lead 3. These leads are computed by the difference between the electrode potential. Lead 1 is the difference between LA and RA, left arm and the right arm. Lead 2 is the difference between left leg and the right arm. Lead 3 is the difference between left leg and the left arm electrode. Leads AVR, AVL and AVF are known as augmented limb leads. These leads are again derived from the lead 1, lead 2 and lead 3. They appear to be the same, but they are very significant because they give us information from different view of the heart. These leads are computed in the manner described. Now the last 6 leads, they are computed by the voltage difference between the electrode placed on the chest and a term known as Wilson chest terminal. Wilson chest terminal is computed by the average of LA, RA and LL, the left arm, the right arm and the left leg electrode.